Yeah.
Weezy out of here.
The dash is digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie.
What's up YouTube? I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be a hair tutorial. That's a lie. I have done a hair tutorial, but today's hair tutorial is going to be my 2 braids that I do for volleyball. This is usually kind of like my go-to kind of hairstyle because I mean, sometimes I'll be struggling, but like it's really cute. But I don't know why I'm gonna title this video. Y'all probably seen the title already, but we're just gonna jump right into this. Okay, so I braided my hair last night. I didn't do any of the French braid. I just did like a regular braids, like 3 of them on each side, and just braided and then went to sleep so that ends can come out a little wavy, because you'll see why. Usually I like to do this when my hair is damp, or yeah, when it's damp, because it's easier that way and it comes out better. So I'm gonna just damp right here where it's flat, so this will go faster and it's easier. Okay, so I have my hands wet, as y'all can see, and I'm just gonna wet right here, damp it up a little bit so it's easier to braid. So I'm gonna start off with my right side. So I'm just gonna grab a little piece of hair, like that much, and then I'm just going to simply just take this strand. I do it under, cross over the middle strand, and then just leave it at that. And then I take this strand and I add a little tiny piece of hair into it, and then I take this strand and I grab another piece of hair, add it to it, and it's basically a French braid. And then you just continue that until your ear. So yeah, that's pretty self-explanatory. You just do a French braid, add how much ever hair you want to each strand, and stop by your ear. Once you get to the ear, just braid it. Braid the rest of your hair. I mean, just the strand. You don't have to braid it all the way, because you're gonna end, like I was saying before I got interrupted by my freaking alarm, you don't need to braid it all the way because you're gonna end up tying it back and letting it out later. So just tie it to like 1/4 of your hair, just to see like where it ends, and then just tie it up. Now I'm gonna be doing the same thing to this side, and I'll be right back. Okay, after you're done braiding both sides, this is how it should look. I feel like my head is like lopsided. Yeah, I'm improving a lot on my braids. Like, give me props. So I'm like on my knees right now. So now we're just gonna bring the hair back. This would be cute. I think in my color run vlog I have my hair like this, but now we're just gonna bring it back. So take the 2 strands of braids and then just bring it back, like just bring it back to the back of your head, and see how it looks. Make sure there's no like hair sticking up, but if there is, we can fix that by putting bobby pins in. But just put them down if you can, and then take the rest of your hair. It can be curly, it can be wavy, it can be straight, it doesn't matter, or you can even put it in a bun, but I want it out. And then just combine it with the braids. I'm gonna show y'all. So just combine everything together like that, and make sure it's flat, and then you can take the hair ties out. I wish I had black hair ties, but all my black hair ties broke. And make sure it's flat like I said. And then once it's all flat, you can tie it off. Like I said, you can put it in a bun. Make sure not to tie it all the way down by your neck. Tie it a little higher. And I usually have to use 2 hair ties because it ends up getting loose. Y'all actually asked for a tutorial on this, so here I go. As you guys can tell from the beginning of the video, I have a new intro. I just wanted something a little bit more basic, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm trying to be active, so here we go. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. See y'all in my next one.